Hi everyone, I'm Kieran from 81 Vintage and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I hand paint this cocktail sign onto glass. If you like this video, would you mind please just hitting that subscribe button? I'm really trying to grow my channel. I'm posting a new video and new project every day throughout January and I'm really hoping to hit that 2,000 subscribers mark in the not too distant future. So I have a few videos on how I hand paint glass. If you're looking for more, do check out my other videos. But the way I do it is I design my graphic on a computer and then I print it off. And what you want to do is make sure you print it off in reverse. And because I only have an A4 printer, I have to divide it up in Publisher and then I reprint it in 2 pages and stick it back together. If you're looking for this graphic, I'll include a link down below to my website and my blog 81 Vintage, where you can go and pick that up. Once you have it, I usually make this graphic to the specific size of the glass and then I get to painting the glass, and I've sped this up super fast for you, but it doesn't take very long, or maybe 15 minutes to paint this type of design. This design's quite fancy for me and it's not something that I usually do, but I thought it would look particularly good for this cocktails sign. I was really wanting to channel Victorian vibes, and for this I use Revell model paints. So I use satin or matte black and then I go over it with the gold and white, and then I use green to go around the edges. I get these paintbrushes from eBay. They're super inexpensive and I use them just once and throw them away. You don't have to have a super steady hand with this. The whole design comes together towards the end, so any little imperfections don't worry about, you can always scrape them off. And I'm just going to leave this running here for a little while for you so you can just enjoy watching this. I find it truly satisfying. I then let it dry and then I apply the gold, and I like to just dot this on over the design so that you don't see any strokes. I didn't wait quite long enough for the paint to dry because I was trying to get this done in one day, and it sort of bled through a little bit and muddied up the colours. Once the gold's dry, I like to paint over it again with the black just to seal that in. It just makes it look a little bit more aged, and if you've missed anywhere when you've dabbed on that gold, it just fills in those areas. Then I painted around the outside with this green. This is just sort of a vintagey looking green that just helps to fill in the background. And then the last layer is this white. This is a matte enamel white, and I just like to paint it on quite roughly so that there's good coverage, and then I use a very inexpensive sponge to go over. I find that the white can sometimes look a little bit brushed on, whereas this helps to smooth that out. And this is how it came out. I hope you like this project and how it came out, and please do remember to hit that subscribe button. And really I'm trying to grow my channel to give me more options in the future, so really would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hi everyone, I'm Kieran from 81 Vintage and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I hand paint